Welcome to the video series for best MCQs in ICSE Physics. We also welcome you to the YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals for easy and joyful learning of physics theories and concepts for life. In this video series for best MCQs, we are providing you MCQs and solutions for moderate level of difficulty questions. With each and every answer, we are giving you explanations also so that you can review your concepts and strengthen them. And with each and every MCQ, there is timer so that you can reach to your option before we take you to the answer. We have already uploaded the best MCQs for your chapter 1, that is force, and chapter 2, that is work, energy and power. This video is for chapter 3, that is machines. First MCQ. There are three lever systems shown here, marked D1, D2, D3, and you have got four options. You need to find out which diagram is for which class of lever. You have got 10 seconds time to come to your option. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. That is D1, you have got load in the middle. So it is class 2 type of lever. For D2, you have got effort in the middle, that is class 3 type of lever. And for D3, fulcrum in the middle, that is class 1 type of lever. So for identifying lever is the best way to find out what is placed in the middle. Next MCQ. MCQ number 2. Here you have been given four pulley systems marked P, Q, R and S. Now you need to identify the mechanical advantage of these and get to your option for which system what is the mechanical advantage, and you have to choose your option. Your timer for 15 seconds starts now. If you think you require more time, do pause the video and come back to your answer before looking at the answer here. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. Let's understand also a little bit. For the first system, there are three movable pulleys, one fixed pulley. So mechanical advantage is 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. That is for P it is 8. For Q, mechanical advantage is 2. You have got only one movable pulley. For R, mechanical advantage is number of pulley, that is 3, and 4 it is 6. So the option is option B. Next MCQ. You need to match the human body motion with the type of lever. Three human body motion have been mentioned: nodding of head, raising load by forehand, and raising body weight on toes. And the three classes of levers are listed. You need to match them. Your timer for 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Hope you got your option. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. Let's do that arrow exercise also. Nodding of head is class 1 lever. Raising load by forehand is class 3 lever. And raising body on toes is class 2 lever. So the option is D. Next MCQ. You need to identify the condition for force multiplier and speed multiplier. There are two MCQs here. First one is for force multiplier, second one is for speed multiplier. You need to find out the option. Your timer for 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Hope you got your answer. Let's see the answer. For the first one, that is for force multiplier, option B, that is effort is lesser than load. For the second case, that is speed multiplier, effort is greater than load. Next MCQ. This is the mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage of a machine is the ratio you need to find out. And what is the unit of mechanical advantage? There are two MCQs. Your timer for 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is, for the first one is effort, load by effort, and the unit for mechanical advantage is, there is no unit. Just keep in mind, wherever the quantity is ratio, that is mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, efficiency, refractive index, specific gravity, they don't have any unit because they are ratios. The next MCQ. There are three MCQs on ideal machine. First one is output-input relation, second one is efficiency, third one is loss for an ideal machine. Your timer for 10 seconds starts now. Easy one. Hope you have got your option now. Let's see the answer. For the first one, output energy is equal to input energy. Efficiency of an ideal machine is 100% and loss for an ideal machine is 0%. Next one. Under three options, you have been given examples of different kinds of levers. You need to find out in which option the examples are shown correctly under different kinds of lever. You need to look at it carefully. You have got 20 seconds time to reach to your option. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Hope you could find out and got your option. Let's see the answer. Answer is option B. Let's take a little more closer look. See, under first option, this bottle opener, spade lifting load and scissors, they are shown on the wrong places. Class 2, all options are right. Rather, option B, all options are right. Option C, water pump handle and bar to lift load, they are shown in wrong places. So the answer is option B. Hope you are liking this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Next MCQ. You need to find out the option where the relationship between mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency is shown correctly. Your timer for 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Hope you got your answer. This is a very standard question, so you must have found it easy. So the option is option A. The next MCQ. The lever for which the mechanical advantage is less than 1 has the fulcrum in the middle, load in the middle, effort in the middle, and load and effort acting at the same point. You need to choose the option. Your timer for 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is effort is between the fulcrum and the load. Effort is in the middle. That is class 3 lever. Effort is in the middle. Next MCQ. You need to match the application and the kind of machine that is to be used. The applications are fishing rod, to lift water from a well, to crack a hard nut. This cracking a hard nut has got a different proverbial meaning, but here we are just talking about breaking a hard nut. And to lift a heavy weight with less force. The machines used are single fixed pulley, movable pulley, class 3 lever, class 2 lever. You need to match the options and get to your option. You've got 15 seconds time. Timer starts now. Hope you have got your answer, got your option. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Again, let us do that arrow exercise. Fishing rod is class 3 lever, where you cannot reach close to the load. You have to access it from far away distance. So you generally use class 3 lever. Fishing rod is a class 3 lever. To lift water from a well, we use single fixed pulley. To break a hard nut, class 3 lever, that is nut cracker, that is class 2 lever. And to lift heavy weight with less force, that is a movable pulley, where mechanical advantage is more than 1, that is 2. For a single movable pulley it is 2. So the correct option is option D. Next MCQ. Single fixed pulley is used because there are 4 options given where single fixed pulley is used. And the second MCQ is class 2 lever has what mechanical advantage? You have got 10 seconds time to reach to your option. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is, for the first one, it is D. Single fixed pulley helps us to apply the effort in a convenient direction. And class 2 lever has mechanical advantage more than 1. Next MCQ. 15 kg of force is required to break a nut. It is broken by using a nut cracker having handle 20 cm long, by placing the nut at a distance of 4 cm from the hinge. What is the minimum force needed to break the nut? You have got 4 options. You need to do the calculation. You have got 20 seconds time. Your timer starts now. If you think that you require more time, you can pause the video in between, do your calculation, and then come to the answer. Now it's time's up. Hope you have done the calculation. Let's see the answer. The answer is option 3. Let's understand the solution also. So here load is 15 kgf. That is the force required to break the nut. Load is 15 kgf. Load arm is 4 cm. Effort arm is 20 cm. So you put into the relation load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. From there you get effort is equal to 15 into 4 by 20, that is 3 kgf. Next MCQ. A movable pulley is used in which case? You have got 4 options. And second one, in a pulley system, the possible reason for MA and VR not being equal is, there are 4 options given. You need to choose your option in 10 seconds time. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Movable pulley is used as a force multiplier. That is option B. And in a pulley system, The possible reason for MA and VR not being equal, that is efficiency not being 100%, is the list of losses, that is all of the above. Weight of the lower block of pulleys, friction in the pulley bearing, and weight of the string. All of the above are reason for MA not being equal to VR, that is efficiency not being 100%. Next MCQ. So there are 4 MCQ against a single situation. So what it says, a man draws water from a well using pulley. The mass of the bucket and water together is 8 kg. The force applied by the man is 100 Newton. You can take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So you've got 4 questions. Mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, efficiency, and what kind of pulley system is used. So you need to choose your options in 20 seconds time. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Hope you have got all the 4 options. Let's see the answer. Mechanical advantage 0.8, velocity ratio option D, that is 1, efficiency option C 80%, pulley system uses single fixed pulley. Let's understand the calculation also. So load is 8 kgf, that is 80 Newton, and effort is 100 Newton. So mechanical advantage is load by effort, that is 0.8. Velocity ratio, it is single fixed pulley, velocity ratio is 1. Efficiency is mechanical advantage by velocity ratio, that is 0.8, that is 80%, and the type of pulley system used is single fixed pulley. Next MCQ. Again you have got 3 questions, again one situation. What is given is the pulley system is with velocity ratio 4 and it is lifting a load of 30 kgf to a height of 2 meter. The effort required is 30 kgf. You need to find out the distance moved by effort, mechanical advantage, and efficiency of the system. Again 20 seconds time. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Hope you have got your options. Let's see the answer. Distance moved by effort is 8 meter, that is option B. Mechanical advantage is 3, that is option C. And efficiency of the system is 75%. Let's understand the calculation also. Here, what is given, load is 90 kgf and effort is 30 kgf. So you find mechanical advantage first. So mechanical advantage is 90 by 30, that is 3. So you got mechanical advantage 3. Velocity ratio is 4. So if the velocity ratio is 4, so the effort will travel 4 times than the load. So load is traveling by 2 meter. So effort will travel by 4 into 2, that is 8 meter. And efficiency of the system is mechanical advantage by velocity ratio, that is 0.75, that is 75%. Next MCQ. Archimedes had said, give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it and I will move the world. An artist's impression is like this as shown in the picture. What is the kind of lever did Archimedes talk about? Which class of lever did he talk about? You need to decide your option in 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is class 1 lever. Next MCQ. In the wheelbarrows as shown, the load is 100 kgf and the center of gravity of the load is half meter, 0.5 meter away from the center of the wheel. The man can lift 25 kgf. What should be the minimum length of the handle? 4 options. You need to do the calculation. Come to your answer. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is 2 meter. Let's understand the calculation also. So the relationship is 100 kgf into 0.5 meter is equal to 20 kgf into the distance from the fulcrum. So D is equal to 100 into 0.5 by 2, that is 2 meter. So there is a situation given here in this MCQ. So this is a combination of single movable pulley with single fixed pulley. There can be 5 questions or maybe even more on this situation. What are the questions? There are 2 pulleys P1 and P2. What are the questions? Purpose of P1, that is single movable pulley. Purpose of P2, that is single fixed pulley. Mechanical advantage and velocity ratio of this system for the efficiency of the system, and values of T1, T2, T3. Look at the question carefully. It talks about refer to an ideal pulley system. Okay, let's go to each of them separately. We will not do it in the MCQ form. You get your answer, we will see the answer. You decide on your answer in 5 seconds time. What is the purpose of P1, that is single movable pulley? You have got 5 seconds time to decide on your answer. Timer starts now. Time's up. The purpose of P1 is force multiplier. The second question. What is the purpose of P2, that is single fixed pulley? You have got 5 seconds time to decide on your answer. Timer starts now. Time's up. Purpose of P2 is to change the direction of effort. Now the next question. What is the mechanical advantage and velocity ratio of the system? Your timer for 5 seconds starts now. Time's up. Hope you got the answer. The answer is both are 2. Mechanical advantage 2, velocity ratio also is 2. Both of them are 2. Next question. What is the efficiency of the system? 5 seconds time. Timer starts now. Hope you got your answer. The answer is 100% because they are ideal pulleys, and also you see mechanical advantage and velocity ratio, both of them are 2. They are same. So efficiency is 100%. Next question, you need to find out the values of T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. There are 5 tensions shown in the diagram. You need to calculate and find out the values of T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and also F, that is effort. Your timer for 20 seconds starts now. If you require more time, please pause the video, do your calculation, then come back to the answer. Time's up. The answer is T1. You look at T1. T1 is basically is the holding the load 10 kgf. So T1 is 10 kgf, that is 100 Newton. T2, T3, T4. This tension, all of them are equal, and that is T1 by 2, because T2 and T3, that is T1 by 2, and T4 will also be the same tension, that is all three of them are 100 by 2, that is 50 Newton. Now 45, you see what is the total tension that is connected with the fixed part of the place where from it is hanging. So that is T2 plus T5. So T2 plus T5 should be equal to T1 plus T4. So T5 would be T1 plus T4 minus T2. That is, it will be 100 Newton. And effort, that is F, that is T4. So that will be 50 Newton. Next MCQ. A block and tackle pulley system with velocity ratio of 4 is lifting a load of 90 kgf. The effort required is 30 kgf. Now what is the mass of the lower block of pulleys? Here you can assume that the entire loss of energy is coming from the weight of the lower block of pulleys. So what is the weight of the lower block of pulleys? You have got 4 options. You have got 10 seconds time to find it out. Your timer starts now. If you require more time, please pause the video, take the time, get your answer. Hope you got your answer. The answer is option D, that is 30 kg. Let's understand the calculation. Say it says VR is 4, that is it is a 4 pulley block and tackle system. So you look at the tension. There are 5 tensions shown here. So effort is equal to T, that is one part. And also relationship says L plus W is equal to N into E. L plus W is equal to N into E. So 90 plus W is equal to 4 into 30. So W is equal to 30 kgf. If W is equal to 30 kgf, so mass is 30 kg. This is the last MCQ of this video. You need to identify the incorrect statement. Statements are machines help to increase mechanical advantage, or velocity ratio to increase energy. Quickest way to find the class of a lever is to check who is placed in the middle, fulcrum or load or effort. Option C, rowing boat with long handle oar is a class 1 lever. Option D, class 3 lever is useful in applications where effort cannot reach close to the load. You need to decide your option in 10 seconds time. Your timer starts now. The answer is option A, because machines never increase energy. So machines will never increase energy. The energy in the energy or work done in the input side will be equal to, rather in the effort side will be equal to the work done in the load end. So energy is never increased. So option is option A. That statement is incorrect. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment, and subscribe to the channel and press bell icon. Thank you. See you in the next video.